Laptop won't wake from sleep when external keyboard and mouse are plugged in via USB hub. How to fix? We have an Asus ZenBook UX305FA laptop running Windows 10 that is able to be woken from sleep with an external keyboard and mouse when they are plugged in directly into their individual USB ports. However, after plugging in a USB hub and then plugging the external keyboard and mouse into the USB hub, the laptop will no longer wake up from sleep with the external keyboard or mouse. It only wakes up if the built-in laptop keyboard is pressed. However, as this laptop is being used as a desktop, the laptop lid is kept closed at all times, which is why we need to be able to wake the laptop using the external keyboard and mouse. We need the other USB ports on the laptop to be free, which is why we need to plug the mouse and keyboard via the USB hub. In Device Manager, the Power Management settings for both the external keyboard and mouse are set to allow this device to wake the computer, under Keyboards, and Mice and other pointing devices, respectively. Under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, the generic USB hub has that setting dimmed and cannot be set. How can we get the keyboard and mouse to wake the laptop from sleep when plugged in via a USB hub?
Open an elevated command prompt, admin mode. Type in PowerQG device query wake_programmable. Check to make sure the USB keyboard connected to the USB hub shows up on that list, which would confirm it can indeed wake up your laptop from sleep. To check what is already enabled, type in PowerQG device query wake_armed. Type in PowerQG device wake exact keyboard name, with exact keyboard name being the full and exact name, including parentheses, if any, of the USB keyboard that appeared in step 3 above. Make sure the name is wrapped in quotes. If more than one USB keyboard showed up in the list in step 2, then repeat step 4 with each USB keyboard name. Try now. We had this same issue with some Dell laptops. Using a USB hub with an external power source solved this for us.
I am using my Dell XPS 13 Win 10 as a desktop with the same issue. I hit F2 for the boot options, and there is an option to wake from USB. I selected the box, and changed the charging option to primarily use on AC to save the battery. Issue resolved.
Try this. Follow the steps below to run Power Troubleshooter. Press Windows key plus W and type troubleshooting in the search box. Click on the troubleshooting from the search results so obtained. Click on View All on the left pane on the next window. Pick Power from the list so available. This would launch Power Troubleshooter. In the Power Troubleshooter, you have to click Next option. This will start the automatic detection and fixing of issues. If it doesn't work, try uninstalling the USB hub driver, then unplug and replug and check if the option is still grayed out.
This worked for me, though not sure which step sorted it out. Go into BIOS, hold F2 on reboot, and enable the wake on USB settings. I had 2 on a Aspire 3. Go into power settings and disable the fast restart. This may be initially grayed out, so select the option to update hidden values. After doing both these things, it now wakes on both external mouse and keyboard, though both show as not having power settings within Device Manager, so it's probably wake on USB that is starting it up.
Short to watch, please regarding 7.